Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about in third chapter. Already we see in the first exercise still 5. So now we enter in the sixth sum. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0 if it is given that two of its roots are in the ratio 3:2. So this is cubic equation. So we can consider three roots the given equation. Okay. So three roots alpha, beta and gamma. Usually we can take alpha, beta, gamma only, but here they are given the roots ratio. Okay. So the two value ratio is given. So we can take the model, change the roots value 3 alpha, 2 alpha, then another one name is beta. Usually we take alpha, beta and gamma, but here this place according the question we can change it these roots. Okay. Then hereafter we can solve the usual method. The first of all we find summation 1, second summation 2, third summation 3. So the summation 1, the sum of the roots, so alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a is our formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, the cubic formula. So here this place alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a formula. This is minus, this is plus. The third one alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a formula. We can substitute this some roots 3 alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a formula. The first step we can write the a value, b value, c value, d value from the cubic equation. The a value is 1, b value is minus 9, c value is 14, d value is 24. So apply this place. So 3 alpha plus 2 alpha, 5 alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, minus b, minus into minus plus 9. So beta equal to 9 minus 5 alpha, 9 minus 5 alpha. The second one summation 2, product of two roots 3 alpha into 2 alpha, product of two roots. So take this some roots 3 alpha, 2 alpha, then 2 alpha beta, then beta 3 alpha equal to c by a. So 3 into 2 are 6 alpha square, 2 alpha beta, 3 alpha beta equal to the c value is 14. So 14 divided by a value 1. So don't consider this one, the denominator 1. So take the 14 only. Then 6 alpha square, 2 plus 3, 5 alpha beta equal to 14. So this is the second product of two roots value. Then product of three roots value 3 alpha plus 2 alpha into beta equal to minus t by a. So 3 alpha, 2 alpha, 6 alpha square, beta equal to minus d value 24. So if we cancel in double side, the 6 and 24 cancel, so 4 times, so alpha square beta equal to minus 4. So usually the all sums we can find these three values, summation 1, summation 2, summation 3. Okay. Then we can find these roots only. The question asks this one only. Solve meaning the cube values, alpha, beta, gamma values. So 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha, beta value take from the summation 1, beta equal to 9 minus 5 alpha equal to 14, 6 alpha square plus 5 into 9, 45 alpha, 5 into 5 minus 25 alpha square equal to 14. So 6 minus 25, because this variable and this variable value is equal. So if we minus this one, minus 19 alpha square equal to 14. This plus 14 comes to left hand side, minus 14. So this is forming quadratic equation. Square 1 variable here alpha, square 1 constant, but we can arrange here alpha square having minus, so we can multiply by minus. So 19 alpha square, this plus make minus 45 alpha, this minus become plus 14 equal to 0. So here we find the alpha value by factorize method. So the factorize method, the alpha square value is 19. So 19 into 14, 266. Here sum or odd or subtraction number value is minus 45. So we can choose any two number from the table. If we add, we can get minus 45. We can multiply, its number value is 266. So minus 38 and minus 7 is the numbers. So in alpha square having 19, so we can divide the two numbers, divide by 19. So if we cancel this one, 2 minus 2, here not cancel, minus 7 by 19. So the alpha value is 2, alpha value is 7 by 19. First of all we take alpha value, alpha 2. So if we take alpha 2, substitute the beta value here, beta equal to 9 minus 5 alpha, 9 minus 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So 9 minus 10 minus 1, beta value is minus 1. Then alpha value 2, beta value minus 1. So the roots value, this roots value 3 alpha, 2 alpha, beta, 3 alpha, 2 alpha, beta. Substitute alpha and beta value here, we get 6 4 minus 1. Then alpha having another value also, 7 by 19. So take this value also, and the same way substitute in beta. So beta equal to 9 minus 5, 7 by 19. So 9 minus 5 into 7 are 35. 9 into 9 are 171. LCM method here, using LCM method. 171 minus 35, 136 by 19. So the alpha value is 7 by 19, beta value is 136 divided by 19. So 3 alpha, 2 alpha, beta. So 3 into 7 are 21 by 19. 2 into 7 are 14 by 19. 136 by 19. Okay, thank you student.